Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know if you remember, but some time ago this post I made went pretty viral, so I'm just going to show you how I made that. We'll start off with our image and we'll then grab our rectangular marquee tool and use generative fill just to fill in the left and right side of this. There we go. Then I'll grab my polygonal lasso tool and I'll just make a rough selection of the net. We're going to use generative fill again to remove it. There you go, that's perfect. I'll now select all my image layers, right click and convert to smart object. Then with the quick selection tool, I'll just select the inner part of the rim. Just add a layer mask to this. You can obviously refine this by using a brush tool. If you make a mistake, you can just use the white just to rebuild that. Once we're happy with our image, all you have to do is click on timeline, create video timeline, and now underneath your image layer, you can just place whichever video you'd like. In my viral post, I used clouds. This time, I'm just gonna use a video of some like water ripples. Make sure your video has the same duration as your image. So we're gonna drag this at the 5-second mark. You can press your space bar to play the video back. To export it, you can just click on this little arrow in the bottom or go to File, Export, Render Video. This effect is so easy and it can be done in so many different ways. So make sure you try it out and be creative with it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to comment if you want to leave a tutorial suggestion or request. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.